This is the elevator at the Office Park Building B in Sarasota, Florida. This is at 2477 Stickney Point Road. We're gonna go at 3. It's been modded, as you can see. This used to be an 80s Florida elevator. We are at 3. Florida elevators, you can see right here. Let's go down to 1. So they didn't change the cab. They did move, this is where the inspection certificate used to be, but now it's down here. So this was modded pretty recently. Different colored cab than the other one. The other one is an orange, a brighter orange, and this one is almost like a dark red actually. Maybe even a reddish brown. We're gonna go up to 3 again. This time we'll watch the numbers. Also, that indicator isn't actually blinking, that's just how it comes out on camera. So this one says 2,100 pound capacity. Not sure if it was always 2,100 or it changed during the mod. Because the other elevator was interesting, it always said 2,500, but then the new panel said 2,100. GAL interlock. You can see up the shaft right here. And there it goes. Door takes a while to shut at the very end, and that'll be it.